It is Thursday, and that means we are back in Nutrition Educator Lynn Matava's kitchen. Today, Lynn shows us a quick and easy salad you can make in a snap. Let's check it out.
Time and time again, I hear the two biggest barriers to eating healthy are time and money. And this recipe we're going to make today tackles both of those. So we're going to make a roasted chickpea salad. It's hearty, it's delicious, and it comes together in just a matter of minutes. So I threw a couple cans of chickpeas onto a baking dish, and I just sprinkled them in or drizzled them in a little bit of olive oil, and I put about a teaspoon of soy sauce. So we're going to take this is cooled now, and put this in our bowl. Try it this way. I don't know if you can hear them, but because they're roasted, they're a little crispy, and they are hitting the bowl nicely. All right, great. All right, and so to this is just really our base. It's got a good protein source. You can really add whatever you want to this. So what we're going to add today is we're going to chop up some parsley. I've got some cucumber here. We're going to add that as well. Now the next thing we're going to add here, I've got some tomatoes. Again, all these ingredients are optional, but just trying to add some things in for color, for nutrient value, for taste, based on what I have available. I've got some roasted red peppers. These are jarred. I did not roast them myself. Sometimes we have to have some shortcuts, so nothing wrong with that. No rhyme or reason, just kind of adding them in. I've got some pomegranate seeds for a little sweetness, and then I'm going to add a lot of parsley. Now I wanted to use flat leaf parsley. Sometimes you have to make accommodations. Our store didn't have a good selection of that. So I have one that's kind of questionable here. I'm going to pull some of the questionable pieces off. And we're going to add them in. Before I add in anything else, any of my oil or cheese, I'm just going to give this a stir, kind of get everything mixed together. Oh, the colors of this are so pretty. Now, the seasonings you use in this are really up to you. You could go wild and use, you know, all sorts. You could use some sort of curry in here. You could use some like cumin and just a little bit of salt and pepper. Today, I'm just going to use a little bit of salt and pepper, some lemon juice, and olive oil. And then, if you'd like, you can add in a little bit of feta or other soft cheese. Completely optional. And again, I'm just tossing this all together. And there you have it. This is something that you could eat for lunch, and it would be a nice filling lunch full of fiber and all sorts of great veggies, and it could be a main course for any meal of the day, or it'd be a great side that you could have along with your dinner. So whatever it is you decide to do with it, now that you've seen how easy this was, I hope you try it for yourself, and if you do, let us know how you did.